channel. If you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Neha from Fluorescence Sista. Recently I shopped so many new makeup products, and just because of this Nika K Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow, I'm creating this glam look, and showstopper of this look is this eyeshadow. I really like this look. I hope you also like this. So don't waste time and get into this.
I already done my eyebrows by using Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. I am using this shade as a transition shade, and this palette is a Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. It has a nice shades and it's affordable. For outer corner, I am using these two shades. As you can see, most of the time I am using this palette because it's very compact and easy to carry. For 2/3 of my eyelid, I am using this golden shade. And showstopper of this look is this liquid eyeshadow from the brand Nika K. It is easy to apply. It has a glitter in it, but it's not too chunky. It's easily carried by anyone, and it's quite affordable, around 400 bucks. To give some depth on outer corner, I'm using same brown shade. For eyeliner, I am using Chambord liquid eyeliner, and it is waterproof. For eyelashes, I am using PAC Mink Eyelashes M71. It enhances my eye look. For primer, I am using Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. It has a satiny finish and it's minimized the pores. For foundation, I am using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Golden Beige. It is tested under 7 light condition. It's cruelty-free brand. And best part of this foundation is it has a spatula for easy application, and it's affordable too. This foundation has a medium coverage. To highlight my under eye area, I am using Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. It's lightweight and full coverage concealer with matte finish. Its large doe foot applicator allows for smooth application. It's a dupe of Tarte Shape Concealer. It has only one con, it's dry quickly, so use section by section for better result. For setting and baking my face, I am using Bharat and Doris loose powder. I want to use new loose powder, so if you have any options, please comment below. To complete my eye look, I am using same brown and rusty shade on my lower eyelid. For kajal, I am using Plum Nature Studio in the shade Black and using pencil brush for smudging the kajal with eyeshadow for smoky effect. For mascara, I am using L'Oreal False Lash Superstar Mascara. It has primer on one side. For contouring, I am using Wet n Wild contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. For blush, I am using Kiko Milano Trio blush in the shade Peach Rose. It contains 3 colors and you can use the colors alone or mix them together. And it's blend easily. I love the packaging of this blush. It comes in a modern compact with gunmetal finish and the KK logo engraved on the cover. For highlighter, I am using Nykaa Glow Getter Highlighting and Illuminating Duo in the shade 24K Glam 1. It has a creamy formula which glides onto your skin seamlessly. It's not too shimmery. Setting my makeup, I am using PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. It helps to make the makeup look flawless and last long. For lipstick, I am using L'Oreal Infallible Matte Gloss in the shade 314. It has a velvety texture without drying out and it stays comfortable all day long.
I hope you enjoyed this look because I had so much fun to create this look. Please take a moment to like, share and subscribe this video. It means a lot to me. And guys, please check out my previous video and please hit like button and share. So till then, take care. Bye.